Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic for anyone interested in business or entrepreneurship. What is marketing? Whether you're starting a new business, launching a product, or just curious about how companies attract customers, understanding marketing is key. So let's break it down. Definition of marketing. Marketing is all about creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. It's essentially about connecting with your audience in the right place, at the right time, with the right message. Core concepts: customer needs and wants. At the heart of marketing are understanding and fulfilling customer needs and wants. This involves researching your target audience to learn what they desire and how your product or service can meet those needs better than competitors. Value proposition. Your value proposition is what sets you apart from others in the market. It's the unique combination of benefits that your product or service provides to customers. Communicating this effectively is crucial in marketing. Marketing mix, 4 Ps. Product, what you offer to satisfy a need or want. Price, the amount customers pay for your product or service. Place, how and where you make your product or service available to customers. Promotion, how you communicate the value of your product or service to potential customers. Market segmentation, not everyone is your customer. Market segmentation involves dividing your target market into groups of people with similar characteristics or needs. This helps tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. Types of marketing. Digital marketing, using digital channels such as websites, social media, and email to reach and engage with potential customers. Content marketing, creating and sharing valuable content to attract and retain customers, ultimately driving profitable customer action. Influencer marketing, partnering with influencers who have a dedicated following to promote your product or service. Conclusion. So, that's marketing in a nutshell. It's about understanding your audience, delivering value, and effectively communicating your message. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or simply curious about how businesses operate, mastering these principles can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.